Hey y'all, we got both sides done, double taped, thermal. You know, when the glass starts getting hot, when it's kicking off, one layer of tape won't stay there. And sometimes when you're dabbing away, you're laying up, you can actually push it right off. So we did 2 layers of tape on everything. Got it pretty much squared away. We're not gonna glass it up tonight, but tomorrow I'll show you how you mix your own filler from microspheres and resin. I'm going to use filler resin, which is thicker. It's already got something in it to begin with, but it's still kind of sticky and gooey. I'm going to make a paste, and we'll take a tongue depressor and roll that paste, catalyzed paste, inside these radiuses here. Inside the corners here, and make a radius, and then we'll put glass on it right away before it kicks off. We'll start putting glass on it, so it'll etch its way into the filler, and the filler will take up the corners. There won't be any air voids or anything there. So that's it. Let me bring you in, show you up close what's going on. It looks pretty good. You know, you see it's nice and flat, straight. Right? We'll end up rebuilding those corners, bringing everything right back up. Looks pretty good. We'll have to do minor little body work on the outside edges of this here. We'll get something on this crack here too. We'll grind that stuff out in the morning and get that prepped up, ready to go too. But that's it. That's it. As you can see, it's going to be a nice little layup in there. We'll do one at a time just to make sure we get them all done real well. And that's it. So. Prep ready to go. We'll lay it up tomorrow. That's about all I got for you today, folks. Seems like the rain stopped. Grass is drying up. I'm going to have to cut that grass out there soon. Take care, folks.